Assalamu alaikum, children. Oh Allah, Ameen is ill. He is feeling sad. I don't feel so good. Achoo! Oh no. Keen Ameen, cover your sneeze please and say Alhamdulillah. Achoo! Alhamdulillah. I don't want your germs, Ameen, said Amna. I don't want your germs, Ameen, said Ammi. I don't want your germs, Ameen, said Baba. I will not give you my germs. Ameen thought for a moment and smiled. I will share my books. I will share my ball. I will share my biscuits. But I will not share my germs. Keen Ameen sneezed again. Alhamdulillah. Keen Ameen covered his nose with a hanky. Keen Ameen learned to share the right things and keep everyone safe by covering his sneezes and saying, Yes, he said Alhamdulillah. What did he say after he sneezed? Yes, wonderful children. Good job. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.